Check out this amazing footage of a waterfall. That's not just any ordinary waterfall. As the water cascades down, it creates a mesmerizing rainbow effect that looks like a colorful curtain of water. It's truly a sight to behold. Nature has the ability to leave us in awe and remind us of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Check out this incredible time-lapse of the aurora dancing across the night sky, with its stunning shades of green, blue, and purple. Here's a video showcasing clouds forming waves. It's truly a stunning display of nature, and it's easy to get lost in the peaceful and hypnotic movement of the clouds. We have a stunning sight captured in the skies of Turkey. A bizarre cloud formation has appeared, and it's like nothing we've ever seen before. An incredible time-lapse of the full moon rising over the ocean. The footage captures the moon as it slowly makes its ascent, illuminating the waves below and casting a stunning reflection on the water's surface. That's all for today's incredible showcase of nature's wonders. We hope you enjoyed. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.